It's not enough to just create products of the highest quality, without this being matched by exceptional service, support, and industry knowledge.
I'm George Clark, the Managing Director here at Allpack. I well remember our humble beginnings back in 1994, when the family business was started by my father. We've experienced great growth over the years. We've used technology to move forward with the times. We've embraced the environmental challenges and found positive solutions in how we can do our bit to improve them. But one thing's never changed, and that's keeping the customer at the heart of our operation.
As an international packaging manufacturer with sites across the UK and Europe, Allpack is ideally placed to access the global supply chain on which our clients rely. Allpack prides itself on its manufacturing and supply chain capabilities across all of its product offerings. Our UK distribution hubs, plus our centrally located UK headquarters, allow Allpack to offer expedited national distribution and expertise to all of our clients. Key to maintaining our incredible levels of service is an ongoing active investment in industry-acknowledged accreditations and certifications. Allpack services and supplies a wide range of industry sectors: logistics and distribution, e-commerce, FMCG, automotive, aerospace. Wherever there is a packaging requirement, Allpack have a solution. Allpack works proactively with its supply chain to develop and ensure its products and services not only conform to, but surpass sustainability practices and guidelines. Its in-house sustainability suite showcases this ever-growing range of eco-friendly and recycled products. The science of packaging is ingrained in the Allpack culture, whether it be developing new design concepts, producing printed samples, or optimizing machine and workflow. We work with you to achieve your packaging goals. All in all, a better package.